Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the strike through format option on your Microsoft Office Word web. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use the strike through format on your Microsoft Office Word web. So I'm just going to increase the page size. Now I'm just going to want to make it for this word only. So you can have an option in the font and click on the this option, and the shortcut key was Ctrl plus Shift plus X. You can see now the word only strike, and I just want to need to the full word. So I just selected this and click on the strike through. It will be undo now, and just click again, it will be doing. If you don't want to the strike through, you just click on this option, automatically the strike through will be removed. If you want, just click this. You can also make it for any paragraph or a line, particular line for this. For an example, I just can click for this entire paragraph, or for an example for a particular line you just can make it as a, if it is wrong you can make a correction like this. I think this video helped you lot how to make a strike through on your Microsoft Word web. So if it is really useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. If you want more content about Microsoft Office Word web, you just follow this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable word content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.